Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you an African remedy for constipation. You really need to watch this to the end if you get constipated easily. Here I have my bara, and I'll put my bara in this clean bowl of water to wash it properly. I'll just be washing it with sponge in clean water, and that's all. So I'm going to wash it properly, and my bara is already washed. So the next thing to do is to cut it into really small pieces. I'm cutting my bara into small pieces because I need to remove the seeds, and some of the seeds are really stuck in the bara, so you really need to just cut it into small pieces so that I can get to all the seeds and remove it, because the seeds are not useful for this herbal remedy. Next, I'm going to be peeling the skin, and of course I'm going to be removing the seeds as I peel the skin. So if you're wondering where you can get bara in Nigeria, I know you can get bara in almost any local market. Just try to locate the alagbos or the elewe ones. So alagbos are people who sell herbs, who sell roots, herbal concoctions, and elewe omo, of course, are also people who sell herbs, roots, but this time they specialize in treating children, babies, toddlers and all. So I'm done deseeding and peeling the skin, and the next thing I'll do is get a bowl of water again and rinse the peeled bara. I have to say at this point that if you are watching my video, please like it, please follow me. I love to read from you, and of course if you subscribe to my video or my channel, yes, it makes me really happy. So you can see that I'm cutting it into really small sizes. This is so that we can transition easily and smoothly into the next phase. In the next phase, I'm going to be using this plastic bottle, and what I'll be doing is to be putting the sliced bara into this plastic bottle. So it's a long and painstaking step or process, so I'm just going to speed through it. Well, we have just a little bit more to go. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for spending your time with me. I really appreciate you. So this is aromatic shinap. You can use any brand you get. You can use any brand you have. What I'll be doing is I'll be pouring the aromatic shinap into my bottle of bara. This is really necessary. This is needed if you really want a constipation remedy that is potent. You really need this. So after pouring it in and making sure that it covers the bara, I'll simply cover it and set it aside for 24 to 48 hours so that all the fermentation and concentration that needs to take place will take place. Now I have to tell you, if you are constipated, all you need is just this small glass. At most, you don't need more than 2 of this small glass. That's taking it in the night or whenever. But please, whenever you want to take this, make sure you don't go out of your house, because you will rush to your restroom. Thank you for watching.